Katana jangkarap karyang Lyngba ka ICR National Research Center on Pynkhrang Guwahati. Kalapan sngi ka jing Thrang bah kamat ban pynkiew ka Kamri sniang hapo ka EJHD Hills ka way ni ki district ka balpai kamat menta na ka kam do yang sya ka kamrap kamriang. Ya kani lapan sngi ri ginong tray ka ICR National Research Center on Pynkhrang Guwahati ha ka jingalang balapalong menta ka sngi pratarik uyayong ha east side in lat Lyngba bypass Jalya East EJHD Hills District khlieh haringkat ka jingetray lang ka KVK EJHD Hills bat ka ATMA East EJHD Hills. Hakani ka program ki riew shemphang scientist ng Guwahati naduh ukongsan Dr. VV Gupta ubade director ICR NRC on Pynkhrang Guwahati bat Dr. PJ Das principal scientist ICR NRC kilawan man ai jing batay benya yeki nongri sniang hapo ka EJHD Hill District haka joka por la samru yeki jing bam bat kitiar bapendan kam nadu ki kor teliat bam ki lights bat ki borti syaki nongram ki weide ki bedon lang haka ni ka sngi ki kynhup ya ka sembut kongsan ka kong JU Karpuri ADC kong L Lakyang District Agriculture Officer Dr. Mawphor District AH and Veterinary Officer East EJHD Hills District kibal ai jingkran halor ka jingdan kam ban kentiw ya ka Kamri sniang hapo ka East EJHD Hills. Ukongsan VV Gupta ha ka jingkran ul ai ka jingero ikinongram jang kani ka than kibala pai khamat menta syakari jingri kabalong ru ka lat dan pendap bab ya ka district bat ya ka jelahi baro ka way.
Starting, I want to see that farmers from this area, especially the pig farmers, can grow and what kind of support we can give in terms of animals, their feed and whatever things are required. We are there and we will be in the link with our KVK, Atma people also. They can start anew, afresh with the help of state administration as rightly Madam ADC Madam is here. We will seek her help also. How we can promote this piggery in this particular region. So hopefully with due respect to this in the rich cultured area, and we have seen the one glimpse of the how rich this area is in this cultural things. We want the farmers of this particular region may grow as a very advanced entrepreneur in piggery sector, which I could see this a lot of scope is there. And you need a new entrepreneur, you need a new ventures in agriculture, and hopefully the ICR is always there to help you. Thank you very much.